In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reflection symmetry design in Canva, the easy way. This is a simple trick that gives your photos a polished, professional look, almost like they were edited in a high-end photo editor, but you can do it right inside Canva in just a few clicks. First, you'll want to choose a photo that either already has a blurred background or plan to blur the background yourself inside Canva. Reflection symmetry tends to look best when the subject is clear and sharp, and the background is soft and out of focus. That blurred background helps your main subject stand out and makes the mirrored effect more visually appealing and less distracting. If your photo doesn't already have a blurred background, upload it into Canva and place it on your design canvas. With the image selected, look for the image editing options at the top. From there, you can apply a blur using Canva's adjustment or effects tools, depending on which version you're using. Don't overdo it. You want the background to be soft, but the subject should still be recognizable and remain the hero of the design. Once you're happy with the blur, make sure the image is still selected by clicking on it. This is important because the next step only appears when the image is active. You'll see a toolbar above the canvas. In that toolbar, find the option labeled Flip. This is where we'll create the actual reflection effect. Click on Flip and you'll see a couple of flipping choices. For this design, we want to flip the image vertically. Go ahead and click on Flip Vertical. Instantly, your photo will be turned upside down, creating that mirrored, reflection-like look when you position it correctly. From here, you can drag the flipped image so that it lines up with the original, either touching edge to edge or with a small gap, depending on the style you're going for. If you like, you can add a rectangle with a gradient or lower the transparency of the reflected half to make it feel more like a real reflection in water or glass. And that's it. By choosing a photo with a blurred background, clicking on the image, using the flip option, and then selecting Flip Vertical, you've created a clean, eye-catching